Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry for MBBS. Begin by grasping fundamental concepts thoroughly, rather than just rote memorization. Connect biochemical pathways to physiology and pathology to build a holistic understanding. Always consider the clinical implications of what you are learning. This approach ensures deeper comprehension and better recall, making your study time more efficient and effective for long-term retention. To truly master biochemistry, employ active learning strategies. Create your own flashcards or use online quiz platforms to test your knowledge frequently. Visual aids, such as drawing metabolic pathways or protein structures, significantly enhance understanding and memory. Consistent, spaced repetition is crucial. Aim for at least 3 review sessions per topic to solidify your learning and prevent information decay over time. Make the most of your study materials. Refer to 1 or 2 standard textbooks for comprehensive coverage and supplement with trusted online resources for quick explanations. Practicing with past examination questions helps you understand the question format and important topics. Actively participating in all lectures and practical sessions provides valuable insights and clarifies difficult concepts, enhancing your overall learning experience. The ultimate goal is to apply biochemistry clinically. Link each biochemical pathway to specific diseases, understanding how disruptions lead to pathology. Learn the biochemical basis of common diagnostic tests, such as liver function tests or blood glucose measurements. Engaging in clinical case discussions allows you to integrate theoretical knowledge with real-world scenarios, preparing you for future medical practice and solidifying your understanding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.